Okay, so we removed the wheel just so we have a little bit more room to work. You don't necessarily have to. One of the first things we're going to do is remove these 13mm headed nuts. If you were to feel on the back side, you're also going to feel a 13mm headed bolt end on the other side. So we'll first get our socket on there. You might need to bonk it on there a couple times. Obviously I have a lot of rust on mine. Got my 13mm wrench, put it up there. Let's see about removing this. Now we'll just do the same to the other one. That bolt out of there. Now we're going to remove the lower bolt right here, using 18 on this side and a 21mm on the nut side. There we are. Let's get this right out of here. Now it's going to be time to compress the rear shock. You want to compress it at least 3 to 5 times to activate the gases inside. We'll get the strap right off of here, let it completely decompress, and then recompress it, like I said, 3 to 5 times. Time to get the shock in here. I'm just going to go ahead and line it up kind of where it's going to go. I'm going to put my bolt through. The bolt is going to come through from the center. Slide right through like that. Then you have your emergency brake cable. Make sure you get that on there the way it's supposed to go. Next is going to be the washer and then the nut. Perfect. So the next thing we need to do is jack up the rear differential so we can bring the shock up to where it's going to mount into the mounting frame. All right, that's pretty close. I'm going to leave that just like that. Grab my new bolts. Okay, let's snug them up. Let's snug up this lower bolt. Make sure your emergency brake bracket is where it's supposed to be. This looks good. Get our wrench up there. Let's torque this to 13 foot-pounds. That feels good. Do the same to the other one. Let's torque this bottom bolt to 74 foot-pounds. Torqued. Let's get this out of here. If you did happen to remove the wheel, just go ahead and replace it and then torque it to 120 foot-pounds.